Oh, that was worth stopping for. So with a high of 20 today, it was looking really nice. I thought, oh, maybe I'll go for a swim in the gorge. Catch that low tide again. Or go to Tillicum. But then I thought, no, I'm going to go check out Gonzales Beach. And I'll take the graveyard. As a reminder, due today is living. I wonder how many people that lived that are in here. All their little arguments and living in strife and all they went through, was it worth it? Choose to be happy. Because you only get this one time around here. And anyway, so a high of 20. Then this big cloud came and there's more coming. And it just got a little cool and I thought, well, I better wear a jacket. I don't think there's going to be a swim, but I know there's going to be at least 6 kilometers of hiking today, maybe 7. And yeah, I'm not sure. I'm going to just wing it. I just had this crazy thought. This is the best kind of real estate to own. You buy your little plot. You don't have to pay property taxes, no monthly fees. You own outright. I wonder if anyone ever thought, because it's all about money, if you were to, buy a bunch of plots, like a mobile home park, where you buy the whole thing and you have all the plots laid out, and then you sell the plots. And then you raise the price of them and then they flip them. It's like a new monopoly of burial plots. I wonder if there's such a thing. It's all about money, right? And if that doesn't work, I mean, you could do it with crematoriums too, eh? Because you want to store all the little ashes in little containers. You can flip those too. Crazy. Just chilling in the graveyard. Oh, good. That was fun. Now off to the beach. Yeah, and the gray sky has followed me here. This is the high tide. Apparently it's still going out for a couple more hours. So yeah. Was it worth this 3-kilometer walk? I'll probably be 4 kilometers going home because I'm going to take a different way. go down to that beach there and see what that looks like. But first, we must check out those little... It's Fairyfield in Fairfield. It's just nice to see this is still here. Still in one piece. Yeah, so that's going into the beach here. I hope it's nothing nothing serious. Doesn't seem to smell. All these wonderful homes right on the Brownwater Beach. Oh, that's probably going to get me a dislike. So that's where all the boats were lined up, on this side of that Clover Point. Last week we had the sailboat race. Wow. Okay, so this is the southest point of Fairfield here, almost. Maybe that little island over there. Make the most of this hike and my crazy talk. Yep, this house here is taking security to the next level. Hope they know how to operate that thing. And there's the water. So, there's no negative beach warnings here. This is a little bit away from Brownwater. Okay, so maybe. Some sand over there. Sure is a icy cold breeze coming off that water. I saw 4 girls swimming, and now I see this. Yeah, no, this day is just, it is what it is. So I guess I'll just go home now on that note. I don't want to go to the park. I don't want to do anything. Although I am thinking about designer funeral burial plots. You know, for the elite. People who live the best life can die the best way. You can know whether you cremate or put them in the ground. You can sell them a spot. It's the only way to go. Somebody's going to do that. Somebody's going to take that idea and run with it. More power to them. Okay. Well, I hope you have a fun day. And live while you can. That's all I have to say.